Hi, I'm Dr. Trish Murray, and I've been a practicing physician for the last 15 years. I originally started out as a primary care internist, and which means I basically was the primary care doctor for folks over 16 years old. Prior to ever going to medical school, though, I was a high school teacher and a coach. Pretty early on, after finishing medical school and residency and becoming a primary care internist, I realized that the medical system was not optimal for people with chronic disease, which is what internists usually take care of. The 15-minute appointment where you come in and I listen and then I try and give you a pill or multiple pills to take care of your problems and send you on your way, as many of you out there know, does not work. It may balance these conditions for a while, but then they just continue to get worse. And so I actually left the traditional Western model, and I have come out on my own, and I opened my own practice 10 years ago called T. Murray Wellness Center. And in this practice, I also went on to specialize in neuromusculoskeletal medicine, which means I pretty much have predominantly taken care of people with chronic disease conditions, as well as primarily musculoskeletal problems and pain. But then I realized, the hypertension, the high cholesterol, the diabetes, the autoimmune disease is also what's causing their pain. And I have to help people understand that and educate through lifestyle and exercise how to balance the different systems of the body and reverse or prevent the progression of these chronic conditions. And so I've gone on to specialize in another form of medicine called functional medicine. And functional medicine really deals with chronic disease, and it looks for the root causes of each individual's different chronic conditions with the purpose of trying to reverse or prevent their progression. And this type of medicine takes a great deal of education and working one-on-one with patients in a partnership to try and figure things out, and then also with my staff to do further education to help optimize your health. And over the last couple of years, I've started a whole new project or concept called Discover Health. So if you were to go to my website, www.tmurraywellness.com, you will find an enormous amount of educational information, and much of it is for free. There is a free course on basic stretching and basic core strengthening and basic weightlifting, which at one time in my life, prior also to going to medical school, I was a competitive bodybuilder and a personal trainer. So that is one of my specialties as well. You'll notice that, again, there's a great deal of free information on my website, but then there also are courses for sale to the general public. One on, for example, a Detox Plus program, and other courses that are available that you could review. Besides that, I've also recently started a membership where people could join Discover Health, and there is a members-only section of my website that has an enormous amount of information that is recorded from whenever I give talks to the membership or to the public. So I hope this has helped let you know a little bit about me and who I am and the type of medicine I practice. And I hope you'll check out my website, www.tmurraywellness.com, and I hope to help you become optimally healthy.